Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how we can copy by using AutoCAD software. Okay, for that at first we have to drawing something. Okay, as a sample we can take a circle. This circle is center diameter circle. Okay, at first we can draw it any dimension. Okay, 50 millimeter. Now this circle again we need, but no need to again drawing it. Just we can copy it. Okay, now I will show how we can copy it. For that, at first we have to select object. What type of drawing we want to copy. At first we have to select it. Okay, select done. Then command copy. Now we can easily copy it from another place. Okay, now any place we can stop it as a copy. Okay, okay, click then enter. Okay, now copy is done. If we want to copy it again, okay, same procedure. First select it, then copy, click it. Okay, first select, then again select, then enter. Okay, copy done. Actually, if we follow it clearly, then we can copy any type of copy we can uh, show very easily. So no more today. Thank you everyone.